In this video, I am going to discuss some assertion reason questions. And for assertion reason questions, all the options are same. I am giving the options. Okay. If both assertion and reason are true, then the reason is the correct explanation of assertion, then option A have to be marked. And if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, then we have to mark option B. If assertion is true but reason is false, then we have to mark option C. And if both assertion and reason are false, then we have to mark option D. Okay. So first question. Bile helps in emulsification of fats, and the reason is during emulsification of fat, fat is broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. See here, the assertion bile helps in emulsification of fat, it is given in NCERT. Okay, so we will see the line that is given in NCERT, that is here. Okay, bile helps in emulsification of fats, that is breaking down of fats into small micelles. Okay, so assertion is true, remember. Okay, assertion is true here. And reason, during emulsification, fat is broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, so the reason here is false, because during emulsification, fat that are larger molecules are broken down into smaller fat molecules with the help of bile. So the reason is wrong here. So which option goes correctly with this? See here, option C is correct here. Okay, because assertion is true but reason is false. Okay, then next question. Acid which reaches intestine does not damage it. Yeah, this statement is correct, assertion is correct. The reason is that the mucus along with bicarbonates from the pancreas protects the intestinal mucosa. Yeah, this reason is also correct. And this line is also taken from NCERT. We will see here. See here. The mucus along with bicarbonates from the pancreas protects the intestinal mucosa from acid as well as provide an alkaline medium pH for enzymatic activity. So both are correct, and here the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, this question you can take the screenshot of these questions. Okay, so which option goes correctly with this question? Here option A goes correctly with this question. If both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, then we have to mark option A, and option A goes correctly with this question. Okay, then next question. Question number 3. Assertion. Fats are transported into lacteals in the villi. Yeah, this line is correct. This statement is correct. And the reason is fatty acids are insoluble in water. This statement is also correct. Okay, but here the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, because fats are transported into lacteals in the villi. The actual reason is the lacteals have larger diameter than normal blood vessels, therefore fats can easily pass through them. Okay, so here which option goes correctly with this question? Option B goes correctly with this question. Here both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, so for question number 3, option B is correct. Then question number 4. Maximum absorption of food occurs in jejunum. Yes, this statement is correct as given in NCERT. Okay, see here. The simple substances DAS formed are absorbed in jejunum and ileum regions of small intestine. Okay, In page number 263 it is given, last para. Okay, so assertion is true and the reason is villi and microvilli abundantly present in small intestine. Yeah, this statement is also true and the reason is also correct because villi and microvilli increases the surface area which helps in absorption. Okay, maximum absorption. That's why maximum absorption takes place here. Okay, so assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This will be the answer. Therefore, option A will be correct for question number 4. If both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, okay, option A will be correct for this. The next question is question number 5. The second largest digestive gland in our body is pancreas. Yes, this statement is correct and the reason is pancreas function both as exocrine and endocrine gland. This is also correct, but here the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, here the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Here second largest digestive gland, it's just a matter of size, nothing to do with exocrine and endocrine gland. Okay, whether it is exocrine or endocrine, nothing is this cannot be the reason. Okay, so here both the statements are correct but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Therefore option B will be the correct option. Okay, let's see once the option page. Here, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, then we will mark this. Okay, option B. So for 5th question, option B is the correct answer. Then question number 6. Assertion. Bile juice is stored mainly in gallbladder. Here this statement is correct. It is written in NCERT that bile juice is stored mainly in the gallbladder and the reason is gallbladder is necessary for digestion. The reason is wrong because gallbladder has nothing to do with digestion. Okay, it does nothing for digesting anything. Okay, gallbladder only helps in storing bile. Okay, it is a sac-like structure. It is given in NCERT in the glands portion. I will show you that. So here it is written that bile is secreted by hepatic cells, passes through the hepatic ducts and is stored and concentrated in a thin muscular sac called the gallbladder. Okay, so it is there in NCERT. You can see in page number 260. Okay, please take the screenshots of these questions and please mark the page numbers that I am telling you. Then it will be beneficial for you to find the page numbers and the lines that I am showing you. Okay, so these were the questions and here the question number 6. In question number 6 the answer is assertion is true but reason is not correct because reason statement is not correct. Reason is false. Therefore option C will be the correct answer for this. If assertion is true but reason is false, then we will mark option C. So for question number 6 the answer is option C. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.